Alrighty, fifth graders, let's go ahead and take a look at our application 3 that we're going to be doing today. It says, Destiny says that 4/12 is equivalent to 1/3. Alish says that 3/9 is equivalent to 1/3 as well. Draw a picture and explain how both Destiny and Alish are correct. As I go to begin to work through this, I may think, how am I going to draw a picture to represent these numbers? And I may also think how I'm going to show that they're equivalent to 1/3. Remember, guys, as you're working, you're solving this on your own notebook in your own space, and then you're going to take a picture, insert a picture of your work here, and have your explanation typed up here. If I can see your explanation written in your notebook, you can just insert the picture of that as long as I can read it and it's legible. Right here on the bottom is your sentence support that we have for this problem. You may say, I know that both Destiny and Alish are correct because. You may also say, to represent this, I drew. And of course, you can definitely use your own frame of thinking. When you're finished with your work and you're finished typing your explanation, you're going to go under Flipgrid and you're going to share your thinking on Flipgrid. The expectation, guys, is that you also respond to 2 others. I'm going to take a quick walk over there here in a moment. Now, in the slide deck, you'll also notice that there's a video here. So if you're working on this problem and you're thinking, I'm not sure, I need a support, you can definitely watch the video to support you in your work that you are doing today. And for reference, there's also a copy of the expectation. So here's the picture and explanation example. Here is a picture of my work, and here is my explanation. This is one we did a while back, so it is not relevant to our problem we worked on today, but this is an example you can use when you turn in your application problem. Be sure you have your picture as well as your explanation. All right, so you're going to go work on this problem. Make sure you share it on Flipgrid. Let's jump over to Flipgrid real quick so I can kind of walk you through the sentence frames there. So here is your Flipgrid expectations, module 3, application 2. You can click this to have the problem read to you. After completing the slides, share your thinking. You can use the sentence frames. These are the same ones that I shared with you on the deck. And you're also going to respond to other students. In your response for sharing with students, you may say, I agree with you because I am wondering how you know, or can you show. Remember, guys, these are just frames for support, but it doesn't mean you have to use them. You can also use your own. Once you have finished with the Flipgrid assignment and your work on your application, go ahead and submit your assignment and turn it in. And if you have questions or anything, make sure you guys reach out. You guys can do this. And I love to hear your thoughts and your thinking. It's not about being accurate and correct and doing it right. Remember, it's about sharing my thinking and using my language, my problem-solving skills to work through things in math. Good job, guys.